today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort WooCommerce products. If you've ever tried arranging your online store's items in a way that feels more intuitive for your customers, this tutorial will guide you through the process. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorder your products to create a smooth and organized shopping experience. Let's get started. Begin by going to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left and find the Products section. Click on All Products to open the full list of items currently available in your store. This area acts as your main control panel for managing the products you sell. At the top of this page, you'll see a link labeled Sorting. Click on it. This section is designed specifically for arranging your products. Once you're on the sorting page, you'll notice all your products listed in a single view. From here, you can use the drag and drop feature to reorder them. Simply click and hold the product you want to move, then drag it to your desired position. WooCommerce automatically saves these changes, making the process quick and hassle-free. Organizing your products in a thoughtful order can help guide customers, highlight best sellers, and create a more enjoyable shopping experience overall. Now that you arrange your products, there's one more step to ensure your custom order applies across the entire site. Go back to your dashboard and head into the Appearance section. Click on Customize, then navigate to WooCommerce. Inside the WooCommerce settings, select Product Catalog. Here you will find the default sorting option. Change this setting to Default Sorting, Custom Ordering plus Name. Selecting this ensures your custom arrangement becomes the standard sorting method throughout your store, making your drag and drop adjustments active everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully reordered your WooCommerce products and applied the new layout across your entire store. A clean, well-structured product arrangement not only looks more professional, but also helps customers find what they need faster. Happy organizing!